Hi friends. Welcome to Chonuk's Tech channel. Today I am going to show you most handy 10 tips and tricks that are quite useful. So coming up I'll show you more than 40 tips, tricks and features that will help you to get the most out of using Windows 10. Subscribe to my channel, keep you updated. So let's get started. Arrow Shake. This cool trick is an old classic that's come from Windows 7 and it still works today with Windows 10. If you open several windows and you want to minimize all of those windows, you have to go to each window and minimize those individually. But instead of that I will show you a faster way. Left click on the title bar of the program that you are working with, and with the left mouse button held down shake your mouse to left and right several times to minimize all windows. If you want to bring all other windows back up, just shake your mouse again. That's all. Snip and Sketch. Most of people looking some third-party software to get screen capture. But Windows 10 operating system already provided better screen capture tool when compared with third-party applications. To activate it, press Windows key plus Shift plus the letter S. It gives you to choose rectangular, freeform window and full screen snip. I will take rectangular as example. When you drag an area and let go, the selected region will be saved to your clipboard. After take, it provides several tools to mark up your image. Try each one separately as your convenience. Automatically lock your PC. When you are doing a more important work sometime, you may not want anyone grab your data when you are not near in your PC. So if you going far from your PC and forgot to lock, you will be in really trouble. So keep these settings on. Go to the Windows settings by holding Windows key and I button. And click the device tab and turn on the Bluetooth here. Then pair your phone to PC. Now go back to Windows settings. Close the window. And press Windows button with I button. In here click the Accounts tab, then click the Sign In option. Scroll down to bottom and you can see Dynamic Lock here. Click it on. That's it. Now you go the out of Bluetooth range, your PC will automatically lock. Night light. If you are working long hours your PC, especially at night, it may be uncomfortable to your eyes. Because blue light is somewhat difficult to eyes. So Windows offer an option for that called night light. Let's activate and schedule as we want. Go to the Windows settings by holding Windows key and I button. Click the System tab in here. Then select the Display tab and click here to on night light. Click the night light settings for personalize the settings. Here you can add a time to on and off the night light and also adjust the strength of light too. Set start and stop hours to activate night light automatically. Virtual desktop. Virtual desktop allows you to work with several screens as you comfortable. To create a virtual desktop, go to the virtual icon in taskbar. Or you can use Windows and Tab key. Then you can open New Desktop by clicking here. If you want to get current working app for new desktop, drag it to New Desktop icon, and it automatically create a new desktop with your application. You can switch between two desktops by clicking virtual icon in here, or you can use Windows key and Tab easily. You can close each new desktop by click here anytime. Emojis. Everyone using some app and social media and PC. So when type emoji from your PC, it's very difficult to find in your keyboard. Here's the amazing solution for that. When you use Windows 10, you can use Windows key and pulls top button for open emojis easily. Here you can add pack of any emojis by just clicking mouse button quickly. Calculators. Get the calculator app by using search bar in the lower left and typing calculator. When it appears, click on it. Many people don't realize how powerful it is. Most of people familiar with stranded calculator. If you click the menu icon in the upper left, you will find the additional calculators such as scientific programmer and date calculation, and below you can see lot of converter. Friends, you can use these amazing option to do tasks easy than you ever think. Ransomware protection. Ransomware is a nasty malware that encrypts your data, holding it hostage unless you pay a ransom. So keep your data safe. Windows 10 Defender now include the ransomware protection. So go to search box and do a search Windows security. When it shows up selected, go into virus and treat protection. Scroll down and select Manage Ransomware Protection. Turning on Controlled Folder Access Blocks. Selecting Protected Folders will show you a list of folders currently being protected, but you can change it as you want. Graphics Performance Preference. Now you can control of your graphics hardware for specific programs or games to improve the performance or extend your battery life. So make the changes. Go to Windows Settings. Click the System tab and click the Display tab and scroll all the way down and select Graphic Settings. Browse the app or game that you want to apply the graphic settings. Select the app or game in here. Select the Browse app and click Option button. Then select the suitable graphic specifications to relevant. If your game won't run smoothly, you should select High Performance, otherwise select Power Saving Mode because it's increase your battery life. GodMode. If you are a power user that has recently made the switch from an older Windows operating system, you might happy to know that the Easter egg known as GodMode is still available in Windows 10. It's great for those people that want a massive amount of settings all in one place. To enable it, right-click on the desktop to New and select Folder. And rename the folder with the text on the screen, or you can copy it from the description and paste here and click Enter. If you done it correctly, this folder will become this icon. When you open it, you can see you have ultimate control with more settings in one place you would probably ever need. Friends, if this video helps you, please click the subscribe button and give a like. Have a nice day.